Good morning, students. In this video, you will learn about adjectives. But children, in order to understand adjectives, you must know about nouns and pronouns. Let's have a quick look what they are. A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, animal, feeling, or an idea. You can say noun is the name of a thing, whether you can see that thing or not. For example, rose, doll, hen, etc. Pronouns are the words used in place of a noun. For example, I, we, they, etc. Now let's start adjectives. An adjective is a word that tells something more about a noun or a pronoun. For example, beautiful flower, big house. Here, flower and house, both the words are the nouns, and beautiful tells what kind of flower is, and big tells what kind of the house is. So, beautiful and big are the words which describe the flower and the house. So, they are adjectives. Adjectives are also called describing words. They tell us about the color, amount, size, sound, behavior of a noun. Here are a few examples of adjectives. In this picture, see how many words are used to describe a kitten. For example, cute, playful, soft, brown, furry, little, etc. All these are adjectives. More examples of adjectives are: an adjective tells about the quality or the quantity of a noun, or tells which particular noun is being talked about. For example, warm tells the quality of the blanket, and some tells how many trees are being talked about. Same way that those tell about the particular noun being talked about. So, all the underlined words are adjectives. We use adjectives to compare the things or the persons. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Let's discuss these degrees in detail. Positive degree is used when we talk about only one person or thing, when no comparison is made. For example, LeBron James is tall, the house is big, this flower is beautiful. The words tall, big, beautiful tell the quality of the nouns, so they are adjectives, and they are used in positive degree because we are not comparing one person or the thing to the others. Comparative degree is used to compare two persons or things, only two persons or things. For example, John is taller than LeBron Jones. This house is bigger than that one. Here, taller and bigger are the comparative degrees used to compare two persons in the first sentence and two houses in the second sentence. When we compare more than two persons or things, then superlative degree is used. For example, Peter is the smartest boy. Alice is the sweetest girl. Here, smartest and sweetest are the superlative degrees, as in the first sentence, we are comparing all the students in a class. And in second sentence also, we are comparing more than two children. That's why superlative degree is used. By now, it should be clear to you that there are 3 degrees of adjectives. First, positive degree. It is used when we talk about only one person or thing. Number 2, comparative degree is used when we compare two persons or things. And the last one is superlative degree. It is used to compare more than two persons or things. Let's learn how to make comparative and superlative degrees of an adjective. There are certain rules for that. First, in maximum cases, we add er to the positive degree to make it comparative, and we add est to make it superlative degree. For example, small, Small plus er, smaller, that is the comparative degree. Small plus est, smallest, that is the superlative degree. But be careful if the adjective ends in e, that is, the last letter of the adjective is e. In that case, we add only r and st to make the comparative and superlative degree. For example, close, closer, closest. If the last letter of the adjective is y, then y is changed into I, and then we add er to make it comparative, and we add est to make it superlative degree. For example, happy, happier, happiest. If the last letter of the adjective is a consonant and before it there is only one vowel, then the last consonant is doubled before we add er and est. For example, big, G, the last letter is a consonant and before it I is there, only one vowel. So G will be doubled and then we will add er and est to make the comparative and superlative degrees, that is bigger, biggest. If an adjective contains 3 or more syllables, then we add more and most before it to make comparative and superlative degrees. But what is the syllable? Syllable is the smallest unit of the word. Each syllable contains only one vowel sound. For example, beautiful. 3 syllables are there in this word. So we will add more and most before it to make comparative and superlative degrees. So beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. There are a few adjectives which don't follow any rule. New words are used to make their comparative and superlative degrees. For example, good. Comparative degree is better and superlative degree is best. Same way, bad. Comparative and superlative degrees are worse, worst. Now revision time. Let's revise what we have done. An adjective is a word which describes a noun or a pronoun. Adjective may tell about the quality or the quantity of noun. There are 3 degrees of adjectives. Positive degree, it is used when we talk about only one person or thing. Comparative degree, we use it when we compare 2 persons or things. And superlative degree, it is used when we compare more than 2 persons or things. So this was all about adjective and degrees of comparison. Hope for you it was easy to understand. Thank you very much.